So students, we are doing example 7.4 from NCERT, page number 152, and here we have to find the dot product, or you can say scalar product, and cross product. So dot product A dot B, here will be multiplying, means dot product we are finding. So we know I dot I is 1, J dot J and K dot K is 1, whereas I dot J, I dot K and J dot K will be equals to 0 because the angle between them is 90 degree, right? So only the terms I dot I, J dot J and K dot K will survive. I dot I is 1, so 3 into -2, their coefficients will be multiplied. So this is the formula that we have used, and we have found the dot product. Now what about cross product? So cross product, or you can say vector product, A cross B is equals to magnitude of A into magnitude of B into sine of angle between them. That's sine theta. Now what about the direction of A cross B? So A cross B is a vector, so here A dot B is a scalar, so that's a scalar quantity, so no direction, but here it is a vector quantity. So we need to tell the direction also, and you know how to tell the direction: magnitude multiply the direction with the unit vector. So the direction of A cross B is perpendicular to the plane containing A and B. So suppose A and B are in XY plane, then A cross B, so if A and B are in XY plane, then A cross B will be perpendicular to XY plane. And what is perpendicular to XY plane? So perpendicular to XY plane means Z axis. Okay, that is along, that is A cross B will be along Z axis, right? So it's as simple as that. So along Z axis, you can take the direction here as so generally we take n cap. Okay, so this direction, so if this is A and B are in XY plane, then this is n cap. So important thing is you need to put your fingers at here at A and move them towards B of your right hand, and your thumb will give you the direction of the resultant, that is direction of A cross B. So along Z axis. Okay, so here the direction we are taking along Z axis is n cap. You can take it as k cap also. Okay, so n cap is the general direction, means okay. Now so this formula is like similar to this formula, and what about the formula similar to this one? Means when we are finding the actual product, so that's A cross B, and that is equals to, if you, so same manner you have to multiply AX I cap plus AY J cap plus AZ K cap cross. So here it was the dot product, and here it is cross product. So cross, so here it was dot, so it is cross. So BX I cap plus BY J cap plus BZ K cap. Now if you are multiplying, let us see what's going to happen with I dot I. So I cross I cap will be equals to, so what is the angle between, so angle between I both are on the x axis, so angle between them is 0. So sine 0 is 0. So this will be 0 vector. So here we were not using the symbol 0 and vector sign because it is a scalar product, but here it is a vector product, so you need to put the vector sign over here. So similarly for K also, so means all of them are equal to 0. Okay, and similarly J cross J will also be 0. Another thing is that this is your x-axis, this is your y-axis, and this is your z-axis. So the unit vector which is along the x-axis, that is your I cap, and this is your j cap, and the unit vector along z-axis is k cap. Now when you will be finding the like I cross j, so put your fingers on right and move them from I to j. Okay, so this direction you are moving, I to j. So your thumb will be in upward direction, that is along the z-axis. So this is upward direction. You can so the I dot j, if you find out, so how will we writing it? So magnitude of I is 1, magnitude of j is 1. Okay. What about the angle between them? Sine of angle between them is 90 degree. Okay. And what about now this is the magnitude of I cross j. What is the direction? So direction is along the z-axis. Okay. So I cap, j cap, and so this k cap. So just you can write them along the circle in a particular direction. So I dot j, you will get k cap. So 1 sin 90 is also 1, and you will get the resultant as k cap. Similarly for j cross k, so this will be again 1, but what about the direction? So j cross k, so put your fingers and move them from j to k. So you will get the direction x-axis. So we have discussed it over here also. So that's x-axis, so means I cap. And what about k cross I? So k cross I will be equals to, so k cross I will be equals to j cap. But if you take j cross I, so that's equals to minus k cap. And if you take k cross j, that is equals to minus I cap. And if you take I cross k, you get minus j cap. So that's the difference. Here you will be getting 3 terms because I dot I, j dot j, and j dot and k dot k. And the rest of the 6 terms did not survive. But here in this case, I cross I will not survive. J dot j, j cross j again not survive, and this term also will not survive. But the remaining 6 terms will survive. And look here, this is j. Suppose this is I cap, so I cap cross j cap, so you will get k cap. But you will get one more term, j cap cross I cap, so that will be negative of minus j. Okay, so you will get 6 terms, 3 positive and 3 negative. Okay, so you can write them down. So what you will get as a result, let me write the result. So you will get, when you will be multiplying, so if you start multiplying, this is ay, so into, so what terms you will get for I cap? So I cap, how you will be getting? You will be getting j cross k or k cross, j cap cross k cap and k cap cross j cap. So let us find j cap cross k cap. So you'll get I cap terms, right? So J cross K is positive, so AY BZ is positive term, right? AY BZ is a positive term. Okay. Now the next term that you'll get I cap is K cap cross J cap. So K cap cross J cap. So these two terms. So K cap cross J cap is minus I. So negative sign will be there. Just multiply the coefficients now. And that is AZ BY. Okay. So AZ, and so these are the for I cap, AZ and BY. So similarly we'll get other terms also, like for J cap again you can find the term. So J cap you will get K cap cross I cap, and so K cross I cap, so you will get J terms. So you will get the terms. So let us find a simpler way to write this formula in the determinant form. So this is your I cap, J cap, K cap, and simply write the coefficients, these magnitudes AX, AY, AZ, and BX, BY, BZ. Okay. In the last video I have told you, so just hide these terms when you will be writing I cap. So what you will get? AY BZ into BY means AZ BY. So this cross this. Okay. Now for J cap, hide this column of J cap. What you will get? So but here you need to write AZ BX, because you will get this term positive. You can see here AZ BX. So K cross I is positive, so that is why you have to write this term here. So AZ BY. So AZ BX, sorry, AZ BX. So AZ BX minus AX BZ. So minus AX BZ. So because here AX and BZ, because this is I cross K, so I cross K is negative J. So that is why you will have negative term here. So negative AX BZ. Okay, plus, so you can remember it from here also, like you are writing the terms for I cap. So so for I cap you are writing, so AY BZ and minus AZ BY. So you can see the previous video also, means there that particular section if you would like to see. Now this K cap column I will hide. So actually we are getting it from here. Okay, you can solve it and you're getting it here, and this is the another way of writing this. Okay, and we can so hide this, and you will get this column. You will start from AX BY. So AX BY minus AZ BX. Okay. So this is how you can find the cross product. Now what do you have? You have I cap, J cap, K cap, and the terms AX, AY, AZ is 3, -4 and 5. So 3, -4 and 5. And what is bx, by, is bz? Minus 2 plus 1 minus 3. Minus 2 plus 1 and minus 3. So this is what you will be getting. So now simply writing the product this way. So hide this whenever you are writing I cap. Hide this I cap, and so this multiply this. Okay. So minus 4 into minus 3. So minus 4 into minus 3 is 12. Minus this 5 into 1 is 5. Plus now the terms for j cap. So students, for I cap you started this, okay, minus this, but for j cap you need to start not from the left side but from the right side. See, az bx. So you have to start from here, az bx. So this is the thing. For the middle term you have to start from this side. So 5 into minus 2 is minus 10, and 3 into minus 3 is here. So negative sign and then minus 9, so it will be positive. So plus 9. Plus now the terms for the k cap. So for k cap, hide the k column and again starting from here this way. So 3 into plus 1. Only for j we have to start from this side, from the right hand side. But for I and k, start from the left hand side top. Okay. So 3 into plus 1, that is 3. And minus 2 into minus 4 into minus 2 is plus 8, but so negative, so minus this. So what you will be getting? You will be getting 7 I cap minus j cap minus 5 k cap. So that's your cross product. So this was your dot product and this. So you can see the difference, that your cross product is actually a vector and your dot product is actually a scalar quantity. Okay. So, and what about B cross A? So B cross A will be equals to minus A cross B. So that's equals to negative of this 7 I cap minus j cap minus k cap, and that is equals to. So their magnitudes are same, but direction will be opposite. Okay. So that's minus 7 I cap plus j cap plus 5 k cap. So that's your B cross A. So this was your A cross B. So A cross B. So here for dot product, A dot B is equals to B dot A. But for cross product, A cross B is equals to minus B cross A. Because their magnitudes are same, but this n cap will become minus n cap. Okay. So that's the concept. So students, please note it down. Okay, I'm just giving you a minute to note it down, those who have not noted it down. How? How many?